Hello everyone, welcome again to the Hindi classes. So today we will learn some more daily use words which will give you a base to understand properly, and at the end you can see you had learned so many words. So let's begin our today's class, and here we have the word before. So the meaning of before in Hindi is pehle, 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 peh plus le. It means pehle. When we join peh and le, it becomes pehle. So before we proceed further, I want to tell you something that when we learned enough words, like some daily use words, we will move to the next section, that will be the sentence making section. Okay. So by these words which we had learned so far, you will easily connect those words and in the sentence making. Okay, so let's move our class, and here we have before. So the meaning of before in Hindi is pehle, pehle. It means pehle, pehle, right? So before means pehle, pehle, pehle. Okay, and the next word we have after. After means बाद में, बाद में. This is BAD. So you cannot pronounce the meaning of after is bad me. It will be बाद में, बाद में. This will be BAD, which will become बाद, and ME become में. It means बाद में. After means बाद में. You can see how you can easily understand Hindi by connecting your English and Hindi sentence words easily. So this is not bad, this is बाद, बाद में. This is the बाद में spelling of Hindi in English. Okay, so after means बाद में, after means बाद में, बाद में, बाद में. Before means पहले, after means बाद में. Let's practice 2 more times. Before means पहले, after means बाद में. Before means पहले, after means बाद में. Next we have ask. Ask means पूछना in Hindi. The meaning of ask in Hindi is पूछना, 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 पूछना. I told you yesterday that if you have a long word in Hindi, so you can easily cut down into small words and learn easily. Okay, so this will be पूछ, छ and na, पूछना. Ask means पूछना, ask means पूछना. Tell, so tell means बताना, बताना, बताना. This will be easy. So tell means बताना. Ask means पूछना, tell means बताना. Ask means पूछना, tell means बताना. And next we have but. But means लेकिन, but means लेकिन. In Hindi, but means लेकिन. Lake in, this will be lake in. But means लेकिन, but means लेकिन. And means or, this will be or. And means or. But means लेकिन, and means or. Next we have, okay, so next we have always. Always means हमेशा, 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 हमेशा. Okay, so always means हमेशा. Always means हमेशा. Always means हमेशा. हमेशा, हमेशा. Often means अक्सर. Often means अक्सर, or you can say कभी कभी, कभी कभी. Often means अक्सर. अक्सर, अक्सर. Often means अक्सर. Always means हमेशा. Often means अक्सर. Next we have brave. So this child is brave. Brave. Brave means बहादुर. It means in Hindi it will be यह बच्चा बहादुर है. So brave means बहादुर. Bahadur. Bahadur. The whole word will be Bahadur. 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 Brave means Bahadur. And next we have clever. Clever. Clever means chatur. Chatur. Cha and tur. Cha and tur. Chatur. Clever means chatur. So brave means Bahadur. Clever means chatur. Next we have belief. Belief means Vishwas. Vishwas. This is also easy. You can easily pronounce. Vishwas. 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 Believe means Vishwas. Believe means Vishwas. Busy means Vyast. Busy means Vyast. So I have broken this like Vyast. 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 Busy means Vyast. Okay, so we had learned 12 words today, and now let's practice more these words. So before means पहले, after means बाद में. So what is the English meaning of बाद में is after, and what is the Hindi meaning of after is बाद में. Okay, so before means पहले, after means बाद में. Let me ask you one question, like what is the Hindi meaning of belief? Yes, right. Belief means Vishwas. And what is the Hindi meaning of busy? Yes, right. Vyast. So we had learned ask means पूछना. Ask means पूछना. Tell means बताना. Ask means पूछना. Tell means बताना. But means लेकिन. And means और. But means लेकिन. And means और. Always means हमेशा. Always means हमेशा. 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 Often means अक्सर. Often means अक्सर. Next we have brave. Brave means बहादुर. Clever means chatur. Brave means बहादुर. Clever means chatur. Believe means विश्वास. Busy means व्यस्त. Believe means विश्वास. Busy means व्यस्त. So let's revise these words also, which we had learned yesterday. So I means मैं. We means हम. You means तू, तुम and आप. Tu and tum is used for younger people than us, and aap is used for elder people than us. He means yeh, wo. She means yeh, wo. This and it means yeh, wo. Good morning means Shubh Prabhat. Shubh Prabhat. Shubh Prabhat. Good night means Shubh Ratri. Shubh Ratri. Shubh Ratri. Afternoon means दोपहर. दोपहर. Afternoon means दोपहर. Evening means शाम. Morning means सुबह. Day means दिन. Night means रात. Okay, so we had learned 12 words today. Okay, so let me take a quick test for you. Like, what is the Hindi meaning of after? Yes, बाद में. And what is the Hindi meaning of before? Yes, पहले. What is the Hindi meaning of ask? Yes, पूछना. And what is the Hindi meaning of good morning? Yes, Shubh Prabhat. What is the Hindi meaning of good night? Yes, Shubh Ratri. And what is the Hindi meaning of day? Yes, Din. So I hope you all practiced well at home, and keep practicing, keep learning. Practice will make you perfect. And before we end the class, I have to tell you something like the next class would be on the practice class, in which I will be provide you some basic question which we had learned so far, and I will provide you a choose the correct option, in which you have to find the correct option. And don't worry, it will be based on the previous words which we had learned in the previous class. Okay, so keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you for joining the Hindi class. Thank you so much.